Justice Daniel Oshiger of the Federal High Court in Lagos State has cautioned and released skit maker Joshua Sunday, known as the General, and Caleb William, a cinematographer, who were earlier arrested for being in possession of hard drugs. National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, had raided the apartment of the skit maker in Lagos and found some prohibited drugs in possession of the comedian. Justice Daniel Oshiger ruled that the volume of substance was minimal, hence he convicted the defendants and cautioned them and refused to sentence them. The court told the defendants to go and sin no more. The two defendants, both aged 22, were charged with 3 counts of trafficking tramadol and cannabis sativa, to which they both pleaded guilty. The prosecutor, Jeremiah Ernan, after the two defendants pleaded guilty, reviewed the facts of the case and tendered evidence before the court through NDLEA exhibit keeper, Lucky Ogaifu. The prosecutor said the offense contravenes the provision of Section 11C of the NDLEA Act, Cap N 30, Laws of the Federation, 2004. Photo grid shows comedian the General. The defense counsel, Lillian Omotunde, urged the court to consider other options besides sentencing the defendants, on the grounds that the defendants were still at their prime and still be useful to society. The defendants had told the court during interrogation that they have never tasted drugs. They told the court that the substances were used as props for their comedy skit, which they were in the process of shooting before their arrest. Kindly support our vision of building a community of 1 million pen soldiers whose successes will be judged based on positive development in the society. Go and sin no more, court cautions comedian the General, January 24, 2022. Justice Daniel Oshiger of the Federal High Court in Lagos State has cautioned and released skit maker Joshua Sunday, known as the General, and Caleb William, a cinematographer, who were earlier arrested for being in possession of hard drugs. National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, had raided the apartment of the skit maker in Lagos. Continue. When I saw a player call Define Tunisia team, I knew Super Eagles wasn't going to win. Naira Marley, January 24, 2022. British Nigeria-born music icon, Aziz Adesina Fashola, generally known as Naira Marley, has said immediately he saw Tusinya player, Bialifa, in the yesterday Nigeria and Tusinya football match, he knew the Super Eagles of Nigeria would be knocked out of the Africa Cup of Nations, tagged Total Energies of CAN 2021. Nigeria was defeated and ended. Continue. Why I castrated myself, school dropout Termin Anongo, January 24, 2022. A medical student of the University of Ibadan who dropped out at 500 level, Termin Anongo, has said sexual urge and more time needed for him to read the Bible are the reasons he fully castrated himself by removing the 2 testicles on his sexual organs. Termin Anongo is published by the Punch newspaper today. Continue. Wrong energy, Buhari is the reason why Super Eagles fail, Reno Omokri, January 23, 2022. Total Energies is the theme of Africa Cup of Nations 2021, but today, Reno Omokri, a former presidential spokesperson to Goodluck Abel Jonathan on new media, described as a wrong energy for the Nigerian Football Federation, NFF, to have allowed President Muhammadu Buhari speak with the Super Eagles players. Reno Omokri in a series of Continue. Police invade unknown gunman shrine in Imo, kill 1, January 22, 2022. Men of the Nigeria Police Force on Tuesday took offensive gun battle to armed group known as Unknown Gunmen at their spiritual camp at Onaka community in Isanayadam-based local government area of Imo State. Michael Abatam, the Imo State Command of the Nigeria Police Force public relations officer, said today while speaking with newsmen that Continue.